guys, it's Stephanie the Dazzling Diva, and I'm back again with another video. So before I get into this video, I just saw this comment on my last video of this guy called Shadow, and he said I almost died from cringe. I know my videos are cringy, but like you don't need to point it out too much because like my videos are so cringy. I actually might be doing a review of all my videos. Okay. So let's just get ahead with the video. So I have a special guest, Princess Tins. Yes, I am going to be doing her makeup for this makeup tutorial. So that chair over there is what she's going to be sitting. So look at this chair. So this is going to be the best makeup tutorial. Let's get along with the video. So guys, we are going to get straight into the video. So I'm going to be doing her makeup. This is the palette of my old video, my Christmas haul. You guys already seen this. If you haven't, go and check that out. So yeah, this is the palette I will be using for the makeup. So let's just start by, so the theme, I just didn't finish my sentence, but the theme is I'm making her basically an alien. That's kind of the theme, like a pretty alien. That's what I'm going to be doing. So we're just going to start off with her forehead. I'm not going to be putting any like foundation or anything. I just put my powder. We're going to start off with her forehead. And with her forehead, we're just going to do like a line. Yeah. Probably can't see that. I'm actually going to try and do that again, because that isn't the best, honestly. So let's just try it. Yeah, so. Yeah. I think that's better, because you can kind of see the green. So. Just put it on. I'm going to also put some blue. I don't know, why can't blue just like go through really well? Yeah, the powder's falling down. Because it's powder. Yeah, maybe that's why it's falling down. Okay, now we're going to put some blue, like in between the green. So I think this is going to turn out really good. See what I'm talking about? Awesome. I think that's really good. So go over and subscribe to her channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're ready. So yeah. I might not actually be doing a Q&A. I don't know. If you guys want me to do it, I could do 50 random facts around. You did it now. Guys, we are back. I am finished her eyelids. But first, I'm just gonna go over here. So I am finished her eyelids. They're all pink. And I said I'm gonna close to the camera so we can see it. See? Her pink eyelids are really good. So the next thing we are gonna start off is with her nose and her cheeks. And we're gonna be doing some blush on her cheeks. And we are just gonna go down on her nose to make it. It might not work well. Let's just give it a try. So I'm just gonna start off with some, I don't know what it's called. Anyway, we're gonna start off with this. So next we're gonna just go here. So honestly, this does not work one bit, but now her skin will be softer at least. So we are just gonna go now, and we're gonna do her blush. Yeah, let's do her blush. So I'm just gonna, before we do the blush, I'm just gonna set the blush first. I'm gonna start with where we put blush. This is what I do with my makeup. I just like doing it. It's really helpful. You just put it over to know where you put it. I'm not a beauty guru like James Charles. He is amazing, but he's amazing. I'm not a beauty guru like him, but I will be able to succeed in this makeup tutorial. So the next thing we're going to do is actually put on her blush. So let's go with a lighter shade than her eyelids, obviously. So let's Okay, that's just stuff. Okay, this one to the next cheek. It's kind of a strange one. I like after you apply your blush, you should like that. You can't see it. If you come closer, see it. See? Yeah, it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it. Yeah. So that's it. It's actually pretty good. So let's go on to the next cheek. That's what happens when you put your invisible line, so you know where you're going to put your lip. And it's really helpful. Guys, I am back and I am finished her makeup. I just did her lips. You guys will see her chin, her forehead, her nose, her eyelids, her eyebrows, and her cheeks. So that's all I'm going to be doing. So we're just going to be doing just a run through of what we were doing. So first, we're just going to show you her face, but she is going to be doing, like, if you saw my fashion show kind of thing, you will know that we walk down, like a fashion show. That's what she's going to be doing, and she's also going to be showing her face. So I just want to explain that real quick. So yeah, we'll be doing that in a minute. But first I'm going to do a run through of all my stuff. So guys, this is the end of the video. As you can see, Safina is showing off with her makeup that I created. Yeah, but that is the makeup that I did, and if you guys really like this, you can just comment down below and we will do a part 2. So you guys can just comment down below on what you want me to do next, and I will do it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye.